Have you ever wondered what it would be like to grow your online business on autopilot? How would your life change if you had more freedom, more time at your disposal, and had the opportunity to enjoy your weekdays as if they were weekends, all while you're earning money online on autopilot? Hey everybody, it's Graham here and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get started making money online with this brand new tool and brand new technique. This will automatically generate ready-to-go and high-selling Amazon Kindle ebooks, where you will almost earn 100% commission, as Amazon will take about 50 cents to $1 at the most. This will help you grow a 4, 5, or 6-figure business down the line. You can absolutely get started today, and if you're consistent, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $500 per day, and then scale that up over time by adding more ebooks to your portfolio. Also, as you're watching the video, if you like the content, hit that like button. It's completely free and will really help out this channel. So let's begin. With this money-making strategy, we are not going to be creating any affiliate products. We are not going to be spending hours creating the story or designing our cover. This is the hard part, and the bot tool will do that and generate it all for you within 10 to 15 minutes. That leaves you more time to make commissions on your Kindle ebooks. I want to quickly show you the Kindle marketplace on Amazon. You'll be able to see so many different books on here in various genres, whether it be romance, literature fiction, kids books, you name it. Now you're probably wondering, how on earth can my ebook compete with all of these thousands of ebooks on the Kindle marketplace? But if you keep watching, I will show you how you can get started with that and how you can rank on these Amazon Kindle pages. So as we're looking at these books, let's take an example. Here's one here called The Bad Seed. It currently has over 10,500 reviews. And remember, with all of these reviews, in order to leave a review, you need to have purchased the book. As you can see, the price is sitting at $7.87, which means that as a minimum, this person for this very simple ebook would have made a minimum of $80,000. You can go and check my math, but I don't think I'm too far off on that. So with this easy ebook that probably took around 30 minutes for them to create, it generates a ton of sales on autopilot. We can even see the potential sales that this ebook is making on any given day. If you take a look at the details of the book, it says here a bestsellers rank number 61 in the Kindle store. So heading over to this calculator, I'll show you an example of what they're making on a daily basis. The BSR rank, which is the bestsellers rank, that was 61. You'll select the book type here, which is an ebook. Then all you do is hit calculate sales. Now looking back here, we've got the price of the ebook at $7.87. So I'm just going to take it $7 for now to make it easy. Coming back to the calculator, let's work out the daily as well as the monthly earnings from the single ebook that probably took them such a quick amount of time to create. So at $7 multiplied by your daily sales of 1470, that equals to over $10,000 per day. So if that's a daily basis, look at your monthly term of around 30 days, that's around $300,000 for one single ebook. And this is all on autopilot. You can be sleeping and still earn this money. And the best part with this is this can all be created and generated for you from a free bot tool. This really is a great business model for you to get started with right away, as these easy stories are selling like absolute hotcakes. So let's get creating. Let's start making our own Kindle ebook to sell. This free bot tool is an entire creative workshop for you. Create visual brand experiences for your business, whether you are a seasoned designer or a total novice. So no experience needed, guys. As you can see, this is a complete drag and drop generator that will create done for you ebooks, stories, graphics, magazines, you name it. Simply go and choose the template you want to start off with. It's completely done for you, so all you need to do is make a few edits here and there. Change the title, the text, or even the pictures with this drag and drop tool. And in a few minutes, your book is ready to go and can be sold on the Amazon Kindle marketplace. Then just download it to your computer and you're ready to become a full-time Amazon Kindle publisher. Don't miss this side hustle, guys. This is a forever growing market and now is the best time for you to get in. But I've gone ahead of myself, so let's take a step back. And what you need to do is go to the top menu of this website, click on Create over here. You then want to click on Documents. You'll then be shown this page. Make professional visual documents in minutes. Easy to customize documents and reports. Get all the templates, charts, tables, and assets that you need. Create docs and reports you can be proud of. You can see here that it's completely free, so no money at all to do this. No excuses, guys. Then what you need to do is click on create your free document. You'll then be prompted with this page to create your free profile, so take a few seconds to do that. Once you create your free account, you'll then be prompted with these options. Just choose the personal one. That's all we need for now. Once doing that, click on create new project. You'll then be presented with this page. What we need to do is click on documents over here, then search for ebooks. There we go, click on ebooks. You will now see tons of done for you documents ready to make money on the Amazon Kindle marketplace. Now remember, in order to create our ebook, we need to choose a particular niche to create that ebook in. So when you're over at Amazon, on the left hand side, there's so many different genres here to choose. You've got foreign languages, business and money, self-help, children's ebooks, mystery, thriller and suspense. You need to settle on one of those. For this particular example, we're going to be choosing health, fitness and dieting. The reason why I'm choosing this is because it's one of the biggest marketplaces on the planet, and it's a very easy thing to get into regardless of the competition. When you go to the health, fitness and dieting Kindle ebooks, you'll be presented with so many different options here. You'll use these as inspiration for yours. Get ideas of what the look and feel of it is, and that'll help you with your design and your ebook. So coming back here, we want to find a template called Should I Eat That? As you can see, once you scroll over that, all you need to do is click on edit. Check this out, guys. It's basically created everything for you, from cover to table of contents to information within it such as stats, pictures, little quotes. It's even provided you with information that you can then use and just amend slightly for your own ebook purposes. And you'll see that all these pages look pretty good with all the graphics, coloring and all the information there. All you need to do now is edit a few things on here to make it your own. But the foundation and the structure is there for you already. Now, if you're wondering what content you're going to be using in this, here's a simple copy and paste solution for you. This is your secret sauce. Head over to websites such as this. This is idplr.com. You will then find dieting, health and fitness ebooks on this website. Download those ebooks, take the content from those ebooks and put it into your ebook. Wow, I said a lot of ebooks in that sentence, but anyway. Regardless, all you do is take the content from the one and paste it into the other. You are allowed to do this as IDPLR gives you the rights to use their content for any purpose. This can be sales, your own books, your blogs, anything you want. Once you found the content from here, save it to your computer, then head back to your ebook template. Once here, copy and paste selected information into this template. Now remember guys, if you're wanting to sell 5, 10, 15 ebooks on the same or similar topic, and you want to use the same template, what I would suggest is changing up a few things in terms of color, look and feel. So change up the pictures, change up the coloring, even change up the font of the text. This way each ebook will look completely different and won't be classified as the same. The reason for that is Amazon Kindle won't allow a similar looking book. They will then block that book or you won't get any sales to it at all. So rather be safe than sorry and just vary things up a little bit. Once you're done, click on download over here at the top right corner. The next step is to head over here to Kindle Direct Publishing. This is where you're going to be uploading your ebook as a Kindle ebook. The process to do it is very simple, guys. Once you create your profile, just go and upload your book and it'll give you certain steps to follow. Within a few minutes, you're ready to go. Like we just covered, your content, your design, your look and feel, everything is pretty much done for you with this free tool. You just need to tweak a few things here and there and you've got your own ebook. This is now a digital asset that can generate your income day after day, month after month, year after year. It's completely free and it allows you the opportunity to become a full-time income earning publisher. Now remember, in order to rank your Kindle ebook so that you can compete with all the others there, what you need to do is have a SEO friendly title, description, and put in your relevant keywords. The bulk of your keywords will be done in the description of the book. Remember to have different variations of your title as keywords within that description, but also make those sentences flow clearly so that it doesn't look like you're just throwing keywords in there. And one other thing, whatever file you load up in here, make sure the name of that file matches the exact title of your book. This will help you create an SEO friendly book that will help you rank with all the other books. And of course, generate sales. And one final thing to notice, guys, check this out. It says KDB Select Global Fund for August alone is $39.6 million. So get creating, get your Kindle ebook out there and get your piece of that action. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button down below. Also, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any future releases such as this or any other money-making strategies. You'll then get a notification to your phone or your computer every time I release a new video. With that said, thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.